Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how easy it can be to fix a dryer, especially like the older style dryers, Whirlpools and Kenmores and whatnot. Typically there's only a few parts that go wrong. I mean, it can be worse. I mean, you could have a motor go bad or something, but there's only like a few electrical parts that are easy to check. You just need a multimeter and, just know how to do it, which is very easy. You just put it on ohms on the little sound option.
All right, so Charlie's going to show us how to test a heating element. So she's going to turn the multimeter on, the ohms, to the little like sound wave setting. Yep, right there. Okay. We have an old heating element here. We have a new one here. So go ahead and put on the old one first. All right, and we get nothing. So that's why I knew this one was bad. All right, now that means it's good. Hear that sound? All right, say bye to the camera.
Bye.
There's like a little, focus. It's not gonna focus, but there's a little speaker. That's what you want. It'll make a little beep like this.
All right, we got this Whirlpool running and heating now. Turn it on. There it goes, and trust me, it's heating up, boys. Heating up like it should. I feel like getting warm in here.